Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? My name Faiko Fatmala. I'm from the Tri Polytechnic Healthy Semarang. Today I'm going to give a presentation on smoking hazard. First, I'm going to talk about definition of cigarette. Second, history of smoking. Third, data on smokers in Indonesia. 40 Indonesian smoker statistic. 50 cigarette content. Finally, I'm going to talk about dangers of smoking. Ladies and gentlemen, my first point is definition of cigarette. What is a cigarette? Cigarettes are poisonous objects that give a relaxing effect and suggestion to feel more manly. Okay, now I'd like to move on to history of smoking. History of smoking. Smoking was first practiced in Indian tribes in America for ritual purposes such as worshipping gods or spirits. In the 16th century, when Europeans discovered the American continent, some of the European explorers also tried to smoke cigarettes and then brought tobacco to Europe. Then the smoking habit began to appear among European aristocrats. In Europe, people smoked just for fun. 17th century Spanish traders entered Turkey, and at the time the habit of smoking began to enter Islamic countries. Okay, now I'd like to move on to data on smokers in Indonesia. Indonesia is ranked number 1 in the world for the number of male smokers over the age of 50. This is based on the latest data from the Tobacco Atlas 2015. The data shows that 66% of men in Indonesia are smokers. Russia ranked second with 60% of male smokers over 50 years. Ranked 3rd to 90 respectively, namely China 53%, the Philippines 48%, Vietnam 47%, Thailand 46%, Malaysia 44%, India 24%, and Brazil 22%. In this is a picture of diagram P, data on smokers in Indonesia. Indonesia, Russia, China, Philippines, Vietnam, Thailand, Malaysia, India, and Brazil. Okay, now I'd like to move on to Indonesian smoker statistic. Indonesian smoker statistic number 1 among children and adolescents, consisting of male and women. Male 24.1% of male children or adolescents, and women 4.0% of children or adolescents, or the total amount of 13.5% Indonesian children or adolescents. Number 2, from adults. From adults consisting of male and women. Male 63% adult male, and women 4.5% of adult women or 34% of adult smokers. And this is table from Indonesian smoker statistic. Children and adolescents, the total amount of 13.5%, and adult, the total amount of 34%. Okay, now I'd like to move on to cigarette content. Cigarettes have some unbelievable content for the body. Among them, number 1, benzene. Benzene is a colorless liquid that burns easily and produces a slightly sweet aroma. Is carcinogenic or can cause cancer. Number 2, nicotine. Nicotine is a colorless toxic alkaloid that comes from the tobacco plant can affect the brain and cause addiction. Number 3, tar. Tar is a sticky-prone substance that forms when tobacco condenses and cools. This substance can accumulate in the lungs and have the potential to cause cancer. Number 4, ammonia. Ammonia is a poisonous gas and is colorless but has a strong odor. Number 5, arsenic. Arsenic also includes substances that are carcinogenic. Number 6, carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is a colorless and odorless gas released by cigarettes during the combustion process. This is an example of a cigarette image along with this. Number 1, nicotine. Nicotine, ammonia, carbon monoxide, arsenic. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now I'd like to move on. Last topic is dangers of smoking. Which we know, smoke is very detrimental to humans, such as number 1, for the healthy. Smoking can cause disease, lung cancer, heart attack, diabetes, pregnancy, and fatal disorders. Number two, for the economy. For the economy, if someone is addicted to cigarettes, he will find a way to get these cigarettes. With the price of cigarettes which are classified as expensive, it is burdensome for people who are classified as underprivileged, making that person will experience an economic crisis. Number 3, for the social, a smoker will feel prone when smoking in public, makes people around him inhale cigarette smoke, so that person is prone to cancer. Number 4, for the religion, smoking is a sin because it is an activity that damages members of the human body. And this is some examples of caused by smoking. This lung cancer, oral cancer, heart attack, and pregnancy and fatal disorders. Yes, I want to conclude today's presentation that smoking is a stupid human activity that such reflects money, healthy, and so forth. Then, thank you if you do not smoke because it is a clever person. Save yourself, family, and people around you. So many presentation I describe. If there is a word of please forgiveness. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.